20 action words. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Sleep. 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 Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Okay. Yawn. Yawn. Okay. Stretch your body. Stretch your body. Stretch your body. Okay. Stop. Stop. Wash your face. Wash your face. Wash your face. Wash your face. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Stop. Okay, run. Run. Stop. Stop. Cook your breakfast. Cook your breakfast. Cook your breakfast. Cook your breakfast. Taste your breakfast. Taste it. Taste your breakfast. Excellent. Eat your breakfast. Eat your breakfast. Eat your breakfast. Okay. Drink water. Drink your water. Drink water. Drink water. Stop. 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 Okay. Go to school. Go to school. Okay, stop. 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 Okay, listen up. Listen. 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 Open. Open your book. Okay, read. 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 Okay, write. 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 Okay, close your book. Close. Point your finger. Point your finger. Stop. Thank you, teacher. Okay. Shake your friend's hand. Shake your friend's hand. Shake. Shake your friend's hand. Stop. She. Sobelek. She. Su. She. Nasu. Zay. Inya. We. Arala. Anta belek.
You.
You. Anchi belek. You. Anta belek.
You.
Anchi belek.
You.
Nante.
You.
እርሶ
You.
ዩ አይደለ አይደል ልጆች ዩ ስንት ትርጉም አለው እዚህ ጋር አራት ትርጉም አለ አራት ትርጉም አለው አንተ አንቺ እናንተ እርሶ አይደለ ዩ ላለው ማለት እኔ በላይ አይ ናይስ ምንድን ነው የምትይ እሷ እህቴ ናት በይ
She is my sister.
እሷ እህቴ ናት
She is my sister.
እሱ ወንድሜ ነው
He is my brother.
እነሱ ጓደኞቼ ናቸው
They are my friends.
they are my friends አይደል ብዙ አይደሉ my friends
They are my friends.
እኔ ተማሪ ነኝ በይ
I am a student.
I am a student
I am a student.
good አንተ መምህሬ ነህ በይ
You are a teacher.
you are my teacher
You are my teacher.
በይ እስኪ
You are my teacher.
እኛ በይ we እኛ ኢትዮጵያኖች ነን
We are Ethiopians.
we are Ethiopians
We are Ethiopians.
very good very good እሷ በይ she እሱ
He.
እሱና እሷና እሱ
She and he.
she and he እኔ በይ
I.
አንተ በይ
You.
አንተና እኔ
I and you.
I and you ወይም you and
I.
አዎ ከምንድን ነው የምንጀምረው you and I አይደል ምንድን ነው አይደለ በል እስኪ
You and I.
ስለዚህ አንተና እኔ አስተማሪና ተማሪ ነን በይ
You and I teacher and student.
You and I are teacher and student. Right? አይደለ? እንደሱ ነው የሚባለው ማለት ነው። ኤክሰለንት ዩር ስማርት